Hey you guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Nasty Lori. So today's video is gonna be a really quick one. I actually filmed like a quick life update, and I wanted to update y'all on something else in a different video, obviously. I wanted to come and just tell y'all a couple things I have been doing with my hair routine weekly or however often I style my hair that I feel like I should tell people because I have noticed a pretty good difference in the overall health and quality of my hair. It's just two things I've been doing differently, and it may help somebody. So if you want to know what those two things are, please stay tuned. Okay, y'all. So I have been doing two things different with my hair lately, like I just mentioned. Right now, I have mini twists in my hair, and they look pretty darn good and pretty darn healthy. And I don't know if that's because of the two things I have been doing, but I'm still gonna tell y'all those two things. So the first thing that I have been doing is pre-pooing my hair. Now, I know y'all have seen other naturals talk about pre-pooing and the benefits of pre-pooing. I do not pre-poo for those benefits. And I know the benefits are it creates a barrier between your hair and the shampoo so your hair doesn't get stripped. It adds an extra layer of moisture, this, that, and the third, so on and so forth. I do not pre-poo so my hair don't get dried out by shampoo. Frankly, if I use a conditioner, I don't care if a shampoo dry my hair out. And that may be an unpopular opinion, which is okay. But I pre-poo because though it helps with the application of the shampoo. So I am somebody who neglects my hair, especially more recently. Like I just said, if you've seen my life update type of video, you will know exactly what I'm talking about, or why I would neglect my hair. So typically, I'm gonna just show y'all. I would go to sleep with my curly hair pulled up like this in a bun, right, like that. Well, I'm gonna say this: if I'm in one of my moods and I just don't feel like doing my hair or doing nothing for myself, my hair would stay in that bun. And typically, I would be in one of those moods for at least 2 days. You know what I mean? And if I ain't got my bonnet on, that really declines the health of my hair in those 2 days. But with my hair being in those little buns, and it literally be a loose bun, but with it being in those buns, it gives my hair the opportunity to knot up so much. It just knot up so much that when I would get ready to wash my hair, this whole, my roots area, should I say, would get so tangled up. So if I was to go in and just shampoo my hair would never get clean. I have a really dry, dirty, itchy, flaky scalp. I do. It gets so dry, it gets so flaky, it gets so itchy. So I really do be needing like a good sulfate shampoo that can clean my hair. Well, if my roots are super freaking tangled, the dirt that's literally in my hair cannot leave my hair. You know what I mean? It'll get trapped in those knots. So I pre-poo for the detangling purposes. It makes the whole wash day easier, but specifically the shampoo, and it makes that a lot easier because my hair is detangled, so the dirt can just wash out. You know what I mean? And that's why I do it. I don't really use oil. I use a conditioner. I use Ozzy Moist Conditioner. I think that's what it's called, Ozzy Moist Conditioner, to pre-poo my hair. And I do it, if my hair is super tangled, I do it in 3 sections on each side, so 6 sections in all. But normally I would do it in like 4 to 2 sections, you know, a little bit of Aussie and 2 pumps in each section, you know, you know, I don't know. But and that does the trick for me. Ozzy, I use that because as y'all know, most of y'all would know Ozzy, the brand, has like a lot of freaking slip in the conditioners. So that's a great conditioner to pre-poo with, unless you're somebody who wants to buy like an actual pre-poo, or you can use oil. I only use oil when I am doing it for a hot oil treatment purpose, but you know that's still a pre-poo. You know what I mean? But yeah, I recommend pre-pooing. I don't think it matters what your hair type is. My sister was like, I told her that I started pre-pooing and how much easier it is. She was like, what? Like you haven't been pre-pooing? She has type 4 hair, 4A, 4B, and she said she has to do that every time she wash her hair. And I never did it, and maybe it's because I have a looser hair type. I have 3B hair, 3B curls, should I say, and I got like a silkier hair type. I don't know what you would call it. Um, what is it? Hair type, hair pattern. I don't know. Uh, I don't know. But yeah, so she pre-poos, I pre-poo now. And if you don't pre-poo and you have a hard time with, especially when you shampooing, if you shampoo your hair and your hair gets super tangled, I recommend pre-pooing, especially for that. Like just that, it just makes it so much easier. And then everything after that, it makes it easier as well. Like when you condition your hair, when you deep condition your hair, it just makes the whole process easier. So the next thing I do differently is when I deep condition my hair, I will usually keep my deep conditioner in, keep my deep conditioner in overnight because I would start wash day kind of late. So I would keep my deep conditioner in overnight. It just rinse it out the next morning and proceed on with styling my hair. But I could never feel the benefits of my deep conditioner on my wet hair. So something I do differently and something you can do to see if a deep conditioner actually works for you is to rinse out your deep conditioner at night before you go to sleep and don't style your hair. And what I mean by that is this past wash day, before I did these mini twists, I deep conditioned with the Aussie 3-minute Miracle deep conditioner. And I let it sit in for like hours. Like it was literally in my hair, maybe 3 to 4 hours. I don't even know. But I rinsed that out my hair. I got my oil mix, or you know, my L'Oreal Beauty oil. You know, any oil. I use my oil mix more so. And I just put 10 drops of oil on each side of my hair, detangled it really well, and did 2 braids, right? So like I detangled this side, put the oil in, braided it, detangled this side, put the oil in, braided it. So 2 loose braids, not neat, you know, nothing like to leave the house and run errands or nothing, just 2 little raggedy dookie braids, and then I went to sleep. And when I woke up to get ready to style my hair and I took those braids down, when I say my hair was so freaking soft, like, and so much softer than it was when I rinsed the deep conditioner out. So, I say all that to say, consider doing that so you can see how the deep conditioner really works. Like, because if you can't feel it when it's wet, you know, you really can't determine if it actually works for you. So if you wake up the next morning and you deep condition and your hair is not soft at all, then that deep conditioner didn't work. You know what I mean? And that's just me personally. You ain't gotta do that. It's just 2 tips, especially if you're freshly going natural and you're seeing this. I definitely recommend pre-pooing your hair and not styling immediately after deep conditioning. Do 2 a Dutch raise, let your hair dry, and then so you can actually see how the deep conditioner works. You know, but it's truly up to you. And that's, I would say, that's if you are somebody who does styles like twist outs, mini twists, braid outs and stuff, wait to style. Now if you're like a wash and go girl and you can just do your wash and go after ripping out your deep conditioner, I understand that and do that. But you know, especially since I did mini twists, I was able to just let my hair dry overnight and do the mini twist the next morning. You know, I guess it just all depends on your lifestyle. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. That's what I do. Hopefully you learned something or you consider it. Hopefully what I said made sense. I don't know. But that is pretty much it for this video. So if you all enjoyed it, please make sure to give this video a big old thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. We are on the way to 100, you know, however many subscribers, and we're getting pretty darn close to both goals. So help your girl out, click that subscribe button and join the family. Like, when I have a name for y'all in my head that I want to call y'all when I hit my goal. So, you know, just stay tuned.